Hi, I'm Nafisa, and I've got a very exciting product to share with you today. We're going to take a look at the brand new Justride Validator, the first device designed and built by Masabi. This unit is going to change the future of transport ticketing. For the first time, transport agencies and operators of any size are able to deploy an account-based ticketing-ready, multi-format unit, all for a fraction of the cost of other devices on the market. So let's take a look. This is actually the first time I've seen the Justride Validator boxed up. I really like it. It doesn't feel like a usual validation unit. It looks great. Everything's very well organised. We have everything you need to set up the unit for the first time. Here we have the power and Ethernet cable with the unit's locking key. So now let's set this all up. It's very straightforward. Simply pop on the front unit like so, and connect to a power supply. After a few moments, the unit will be ready to go. Let's take a quick look at the features of the Justride Validator. As you can see, the device is designed to provide a robust and future-proof validation solution. The device measures 324mm by 115mm. It's compliant with the Americans with Disabilities Act, and we've worked with the Royal National Institute of Blind People for improved accessibility. There are clear tactile areas to guide users to the correct scanning zones of the device, both on the barcode scanner and the NFC EMV reader. It comes with a wide range of connectivity options to cater to the needs of transport agencies, including an Ethernet connection, cellular connectivity, and also contains built-in GPS. Let's try it out. So I've got a mobile barcode ticket here. Let's see what happens when I use it on the validator. Okay, that was really quick. The machine validated my ticket, and the green screen shows that I'm allowed to board. Now let's try with my contactless bank card. Okay, it's working well. Let's try with my smart card. So far, everything works really well. This is going to help people get on board quickly without needing to wait in line for a ticket and help reduce boarding times. What's special about the Justride Validator is that it works with so many different types of ticket media. Passengers can use a contactless bank card, a smart card, paper and mobile barcodes. It gives agencies of all sizes a robust, reliable and future-proof validation device for a fraction of the cost of other devices on the market. Now you may be wondering why all of this is important. Well, it reduces fare evasion. It enables comprehensive data capture and journey information. It includes all major ticketing formats and enables account-based ticketing. Account-based ticketing is key, as it allows riders to travel by simply tapping a contactless bank card, mobile device or smart card, removing the friction of getting on public transport services, and we think this is really exciting. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to ask your questions in the comment section. To learn more about Masabi and the Justride Validator, go to masabi.com or email jrv@masabi.com.